In this video, I'll show you how to reopen a closed Robinhood account, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To reopen a closed Robinhood account, start by making sure the Robinhood app is installed on your phone. Or you can go to robinhood.com on your laptop and log in with your email and password. For iPhone users, the app can be downloaded from the App Store, and for Android users, it is available on the Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, go to the top left corner and tap the three-line menu to access additional options. In this menu, select Robinhood Support, and then tap Contact Us. Here, you can choose the Account Review or Reactivate Account option, which will guide you through the process and provide more information on what is needed to reopen your account. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.